Hello there, and welcome again to another episode of Web3 Revolution. My name is Rex, and before we begin, as usual, please remember that none of this is considered financial advice. So please do your own research and do not get wrecked out there. And make sure to, just know that, put on your big boy pants, knowing that you're taking a risk when you put in money in these things. But with great risks come fantastic opportunities that could make you money. All right, so let's get started. Today we're just talking about expert token, expert.money essentially, or expert.token.xyz. So what is it exactly? This expert para, this YouTuber with 300,000 followers decided to make his own meme coin. It's that simple. He decided to make his own coin. And here's the coin, essentially. As you can see, stronger together going with expert. Really easy to buy. He made it a fair launch because, as you can check here, it is a pump.fund token. So, anyone was allowed to get in at the very base ground with it when he launched. We can do a little more analysis on this if you would like. We can go on Soul Sniffer. I'm sure you've heard of Soul Sniffer. And see maybe if someone owns too much of the coin here and there. So we go here, we put that in, boom, tokens, expert money, boom, sniff score of 71, which is very good. Okay, yeah, top 10 wallets do hold a bit. You can look at the holders analysis. Most of it is still in the liquidity pool, which is great. This might be the YouTuber and maybe some of his friends, or maybe he could own multiple of these. But it's okay because overall, the risk is only on other people. And when you consider how small the market cap this is, it's not even $3 million market cap. So you're playing with a really small market cap here, which means that once this thing does move, I'm sure you've heard of like other coins, other meme coins going to the moon. We covered unicorn fart dust in the past, which was another YouTuber coin, by the way. And oh wow, it's up today. Everything's down. This is 195 million. So when you consider that, you look at this expert money thing, it's not that undervalued. Even with a high volume of holders, maybe that could change over time. And more importantly, this has a great roadmap. Look, the roadmap is pretty simple. It's already on some dexes. It already got listed on CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko. It's burning tokens, and the team token is locked. So some of those wallets that we were scared about, they're locked. They're not going to be touched. So that keeps us faithful, and that keeps us knowing that this might not really get rugged because it's locking that. And the other fact is some of those wallets might be burning their tokens as well. Moving forward, it's going to just list on more centralized exchanges. We can see where it's listed now. Yeah, it's listed on MEXC, 2-bit, that's great, but the big ones, the KuCoin and the Binance and the Coinbase and the Bybit, it's not on those yet, and that could definitely happen as this moves forward. So that gives us more hope that this project still has more to go. And then, it's going to airdrop to the community as we go on, probably to some fellow YouTubers, to people that already hold the token. So everyone can really benefit from this coin. Finally, let's look at the white paper. And of course, we'll look at tokenomics as well. The white paper is very simple. The founder is, as you know, this YouTuber with, 470,000 members. Let's make sure that's correct. He has 325,000 there. But when you take his Twitter, yes, he has 150,000. So yeah, you can kind of say that he has 470,000 members. It's a little push, but you can. His main idea is basically that you can vote on key project decisions and you can invite and earn, basically. So more and more people can get involved in the expert money ecosystem, and when they do, they'll be rewarded with more expert coins, essentially. Making more people involved in this project and growing the ecosystem as a whole. So what's really nice is that there's already a burn, there's already an airdrop allocation, which will come to, active team members. This is locked, the team part is locked. And so basically, all things considered, you look at these tokenomics, it makes a lot of sense. The fact that it was a pump.fun coin to begin with means that, anyone had the chance to really get in this. This is, that's that. And this was the wallets that we saw previously that had a lot, right? We can go back to a Solana, where was it? Expert Money, that's the one. Holders analysis. As you can see, these are the wallets that still hold. So some of the ecosystem was sold, not a lot. This is definitely the locked coins. This seems like they might be accumulating on one of these wallets, which is good in a way. That's a good sign in many ways. So, knowing all this, considering that Expert Money, I mean, of course it went down today. Everything went down today. So, Expert Coin actually already rallied from those lows. Considering how big the YouTube is, it's a Turkish YouTube, so kudos to the Turkish guys. Overall, does this have room to grow? Let's look at the history real quick. As you can see, it never really had its dump yet. Yes, there are overarching, let's just say, downward pressure signals, right? The biggest one being that, a few wallets own a lot of the supply. But that being said, considering that those wallets are the team and that this guy is committed to this coin and really helping as many people as possible with his coin, and this has decent volume, the YouTuber is famous, and the market cap is low. So, does this have room to grow? Absolutely. Now, will it grow no matter what? Time will tell. I mean, there's a lot going through. As you can see, community support. I mean, this was a pumped up fund after all. I mean, anyone could have gotten in this, which is insane. So, overall, this coin is definitely worth watching. And, it has a solid team, of course, which is, Expert Para, this guy, this YouTuber that has all these views. And it's very open, and it's a way for him to engage with this community, this meme coin. As Expert Para becomes a bigger YouTuber over time, this coin can definitely increase with that. So overall, is this overvalued? Probably not. I mean, look, the market is going through a tough time. I mean, 6.3% today was wiped out. So it might be, in general, a good idea to still have some cash on the side. But once you see a proper entry for Expert Money, I would not be surprised to see this coin move quite well over the next, months moving forward, basically. Of course, always wait for a good entry. Don't be an ape. Don't be a degen. Don't just buy it because you see it go up. Make sure you know what you're doing. But overall, that being said, there is quite a lot of opportunity with this Expert Money. We could see significant growth over time. So this was me. This was Rex. I just presented to you Expert Money, and I hope to see you in the next video.